Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super easy pumpkin muffin recipe. All you need are two things, cake mix and pumpkin puree. It's quick, easy, and delicious. So let's get into the recipe and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so the original recipe calls for 1 box of yellow cake mix and a 15-ounce can of pumpkin. I'm going to be doubling the recipe, so I have a 29-ounce can of pumpkin, or almost 30, and 2 boxes of cake mix. Now I've made this with spice cake and also yellow cake mix, and it's great either way. My kids just didn't really care for the spice cake. It just had a little too much of a cloves and nutmeg taste to it. So I'm going to be just mixing these together here. And then I'll add a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg, if I have nutmeg, I'm not sure if I do, to the cake batter to give it a little bit more of a fall taste. So let's get started. Go ahead and open and pour your cake mix into the bowl. I am going to be doubling the recipe because I have so many kiddos. So normally you just need 1 box of cake mix and a 15-ounce can of pumpkin. I have a 30-ounce can of pumpkin and 2 boxes of cake mix. So just double it if you need to, like I am, or you can just cut it down and use the regular amount, which would be the 1 box cake mix and 15-ounce can of pumpkin. Make sure you are only adding these 2 ingredients. Don't add any of the extra stuff that the box of cake mix tells you to add. No egg, no oil or anything, just the mix and the pumpkin. Now this is an optional step. I added in 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Now it would only be 1 teaspoon if you were only making the 1 batch, which would be the 1 cake mix and 15-ounce can of pumpkin. So I doubled it to 2 teaspoons and it was just the right amount and it gave it a really good fall flavor. These muffins are good served warm or cold, either way, and you can even add a little bit of Cool Whip to them or cream cheese to make them even better. I hope you enjoy this recipe.